CB Channel 9 and what the hell happened there. Well, it kind of just drifted away. It's kind of the way everything did on the CB radio. I remember back in the day, you never transmitted on Channel 9. And that's an emergency roadside assistance channel, and it was monitored by a lot of radio operators in the areas. And yeah, it is not the same nowadays. I just thought about maybe my father or my grandfather not getting up to speed on the CB radio, and they bought one of those back in the 90s, say. Little GE or General Electric, tons of different brands made a same, it was kind of walkie-talkie with a mag mount antenna. Gave you channel 9 at least for your emergency, and then channel 19 of course, and some of them actually had 40 channels so you could tune in, but some only had 9 and 40, and some of the very, very basic ones only had channel 9. So I just thought about like an old person, 85 years old or so, and be like, yeah, CB radio. And then they turn this on, and they have a flat tire, and this is what they hear on Channel 9. It's crazy, because it's... Así
que buenas noches allá a los muchachos de la Florida. Voy a quedarme en stand-by por un par de minutitos en lo que se enfría todo por acá. Buenas noches, este es doble duchadito.
Wow. But yeah, this is now not an emergency band, but more than anything, it is more of a Puerto Rican Super Bowl. A lot of people out of Puerto Rico use this, which is crazy.
Pues escucha, por ahí Limón le mandó el Uber, parece que no quiso buscar el muchacho, está ahí.
Yeah, wow. Imagine you're just trying to get a flat tire, you're 85 years old, and you start... But hey, that's what CB is. It's kind of funny, kind of goofy, kind of crazy, but I still feel bad for the old people that still carry around the old CB radio case for emergencies, because yeah, you're not you're gonna get oh, he's doing bye-bye-byes. They're doing bye-bye-byes on 9. Interesting. Crazy. But yeah, it's not your father's Channel 9. You are not getting any kind of response on this channel anymore. Don't do emergency on this, and Channel 19 is almost that way too. A lot of truckers have just given up on that channel. A lot of them gone to digital radios, or they have headsets or just cell phones that ping them when they need to be told something from dispatch. So a lot of this stuff is starting to go away. It's crazy. Some freights even ban high-powered CB radios, and some freights don't even allow you to have some of them. So that's even crazier. But it doesn't matter what country you're in, there's always someone doing audio checks, it seems. But, oh boy. Alright, 73.